permeate retreatment, as with the simple cascade, but now we also had recycling of the permeate in this of the first stage to the previous stages entrance, and this will be done for each stages. And in the permeate retreatment section, the repentate will be recycled at the entrance of the previous stages, and it will be done and achieved for all the stages. Hybrid polymer ceramic membrane over more than 10 years in my life, with patents for protein fractionation and for metal and small organic rejection for nanofiltration, with nanofiltration membrane. And I feel, and it is in line with the previous speaker, this type of industry largely use distillation, and what we want is to promote the use of organic solvent nanofiltration, and even if it is possible, but it is less evident, membrane distillation or membrane evaporation.
Membranes itself, and not to forget that the very conventional gas separation membranes. So in these all applications, they can be applied for environmental or energy or water applications. And for this one, I would like to highlight the multidisciplinary in membrane research. From the previous speakers, that what you have seen, for membrane, you can put it at an inner layer, or we can put it at a supporting layer. So you can see that there is a lot of flexibility. That's why in terms of tailoring the properties of membranes, thin film nanocomposite membrane is giving more flexibility in the design of the membranes.
The commercial inorganic membrane, alumina, titanium, zirconia, are used a lot in industry, but the price is high. Donc, we want elaboration of low-cost membrane made from Morocco geomaterial. We can prepare the tubular membrane microfiltration via extruders method, or the flats via pressing method. The microfiltration membrane, raw material is its same, is direct, crushed, sieved, and pressed. And we use the stack particle size is 63 micrometers. After treatment with at 1000 degrees Celsius.
When we first conduct an acid management and then we measure it with isoprene, we found 45 elements by the oxidation, and then we calculated the crystallinity fraction for the 8-inch plastic and the particle in order to bring
aeration process. But our plant is very small, very tiny. So it was tank, pre-aeration tank, and membrane tank here. So this is a control, and we have a small lab. This is a bench for us to doing that. Okay. Later it become clear. They got pieces of membrane inside. They got 41 cartridge, 40 compound. So it's about 10 meters square area, one cartridge. Okay. After the fine screen, okay, water coming in, have this we call the denitrification process. Okay, they have starting from the microbe will be starting their works. Okay, continuous, there's no oxygen for providing, and then from here, the second tank, water will overflow to this pre-aeration tank, and membrane bioreactor, they're having a nitrification process. Okay, so then
and then the preparation of zeolite membrane. After that, so after centrifuges and characterization, of course, we need to test the performance of our membrane adopting the evaporation experiment. And type, so confirmed by the association. And only few of them are used in membrane separation So that means that the field is still fresh, so to conduct research. And there are many groups over the world working in this topic.